Welcome students. So today we'll start our new chapter, that is chapter number 14, our environment. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn about our environment, about two different aspects, that what is happening in our environment. Means there are two effects in our environment which are on the one hand very useful, but if that effect has went to or just happened in a lot of amount, then that will be the harmful aspect for our or effect for our environment. That is the greenhouse effect and the global warming. Okay, so first of all let us discuss what is environment. Okay, so the surrounding in which we live is known as environment. Okay, the surrounding in which we are living, that surrounding is known as environment. And you know that the human beings or the living organisms which are living in the environment, they made certain changes in the environment according to their need. Okay, if they want something, if they want to make a luxurious house, then they start to cut down the trees. Okay, and make the spaces, and over there they can easily make their houses. So that means we are only responsible for any other harmful effect of on our environment. Okay, because for our need we make changes in our environment. So sometimes that changes may be harmful, and because of that it causes so adverse effect on our lifestyle also. Okay, so the harmful changes which are brought in the environment, by human activities. By human activities means by humans. Okay, हमारे द्वारा. Okay, whatever what we want, we do anything in the environment, and sometimes that changes become so harmful that it takes the shape of pollution. It takes the form of pollution. Okay, that harmful changes which are brought into the environment by human activities, that changes are considered as the pollution. And you know that pollution is always harmful or bad for our environment. Okay, so based on these harmful changes, pollution are of how many types? 4 types. Okay, pollutions are of 4 types. First one is air pollution. First one is air pollution. You know what is air pollution? If we are releasing harmful gases, smoke or anything in the environment which are harmful, then that will lead to air pollution. So air pollution is mainly caused by industries, because these industries release harmful gases and pollutants in the air. Pollutants are the substances which causes pollution. Okay, pollutants are the substances which causes pollution. So mainly this air pollution is caused by industries and also by the vehicles. Whatever vehicles we are using, that vehicles also produce harmful smoke or gases that will lead to air pollution. That's why it is advisable to use CNG vehicles, okay, in which the CNG gases are filled. That CNG gases are less pollutant. Okay, they will not create that much amount of pollution. And if we want to survive on this earth for the years, then we need to take care of our earth, we need to take care of our environment. Okay, and for this we need to take several measures so that we can live a healthy life. And for that, first thing is we have to reduce the pollution. So this one is the first type of pollution which is very harmful. Now the second type of pollution is water pollution. You know that the water pollution is caused by putting the dirty things in the water bodies. Okay, like the feces or the harmful chemicals or the effluents, whatever liquids which are released by the industries, by the factories, that are released out in the water bodies. Okay, उनको water bodies में फेंक दिया जाता है, ये डाल दिया जाता है. That will lead to the water pollution. That liquids, that harmful chemicals make the water bodies polluted. Now, if once the chemicals will be sent into the water bodies, then in that water bodies, if any animal or the human being will use that water, then they will get many types of disease in their bodies. Okay, and even whenever we will throw the plastics or the other non-biodegradable substances in the water bodies, that will also lead to the water pollution. Okay, so mainly water pollution is caused by release of household and industrial waste into water bodies, okay, whatever industrial waste or the household waste means whatever waste will be released out in during our household work, that will be, if we will throw that household waste in the water bodies, that will also cause the water pollution. Okay, so there are two types of pollutions right now. Now we will discuss about two more types of pollutions. Students, please, if we want to live on this earth, then we have to take care of our earth, our environment, and for that we need to decrease this pollution. Okay, decrease the amount of pollution we are causing. Now the third type of pollution is land pollution. Land pollution means whatever waste we throw out in the soil, that will cause the land pollution. Okay, sometimes we throw the plastic wrappers or rubbers or anything non-biodegradable substances in the soil or on the land, that will be not decomposed into the soil over the years. They will remain as it is in the soil, and that will lead to the land pollution, because of that substances which are there in the soil, it reduces the fertility of the soil. Okay, so it is caused, this land pollution is caused by dumping of solid waste like polythene bags, glass bottles in the soil, mainly in the soil, that will lead to land pollution. So always make a habit to dump all the waste into the dustbin. Okay, do not throw the waste here and there on the ground or on the road, because that will lead to land pollution and resulting in decreasing the fertility of the soil. Now the fourth type of pollution is noise pollution. This you know, when the noise came from the vehicles or the speakers or somehow by the railings, that will cause a problem in the hearing aids. Okay, means that will cause mainly problem to the old age persons, because they will not be able to listen that much of noise. So the noise pollution is mainly caused by the machines and the vehicles, Okay, so we should always try to use those machines which do not make noise. Or how we make the noise for the vehicles? By continuously horning. Okay, when we ring the horn continuously, that will lead to the noise pollution. Okay, so we should always try to drive or to ride a vehicle in a manner that we need not to push the horn or ring the horn. For means useless horns, if someone will blow them, that will cause the noise pollution. So we should take care of all these things, which only and only help us in our survival. Okay, if we will take care of all these things, that we will not put or we will not be in creating all these pollutions, then our earth and our environment will become so good. Okay, so students, that's all for today.